Please turn your attention way up to the top of the highest extreme ramp in the Northern Hemisphere. Presenting the kings of cool, the bad boys of the rail, and the rulers of the ramp. They put the X in extreme, the one, the only, Mongo Grinders. The king of flip and the master of faking, kick flip and faking. Now up, half shell and boneless, the tough titan of turtles, and the underwater wonder. Ollie and Primo. And the rest of those great Mongo Grinders.
Mine's Primo the elephant.
Mine's Kick Flip the frog.
I'm Boneless the shark.
I'm
Stinky the gorilla. I'm Ollie the octopus. Woo! I was Kitty the iguana. Ow! Boom boom. You can go down there. We got sweet moves. Suction cups that you stick about on anything. Get to the rim, get to the rim. No, it's really annoying. This is awesome. Planet Earth is our only skate park.